Good day, may huli tayong isa ngayon. Good size, malaki naman. Ang hirap talaga magpakagat kasi sobrang lakas ng alon. Kung hindi ka talaga makaka-tsempo na meron, hindi ka makakahuli. But then again, thanks God may huli tayo. At it was a good fight also. Kaya thanks God, sana magustuhan niyo yung video. Ano lang naman yun hindi mahaba. Basta pag-cash ko ng lure, yun na, makikita nyo na yung strike. Kaya sana magustuhan nyo. Thank you very much. Using Angler Armor jersey and Storm Rod from Cebu Tackle Shop. Angler Armor jersey is from Angler Armor. Okay, so thank you very much. Thanks God. Sana next time, swertehan ulit tayo. Good day. Thank you. Oh! 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 Got one. Ah. Oh, nice. Oh. Oh, nice. Aba. Okay. Got one. Oh, big one. Another toman, another day. Ayun. Nakahuli tayo ulit sa toman. Using Angler Armor jersey at saka Storm Rod from Cebu Tackle Shop. Ayun. Thanks God. Thank you. One toman for this day. Good years give good results.